What's up guys, we're in Phuket on Monkey Hill and we are going to go and see some monkeys. Becca's been ill for the past week. Past week.
Still ill.
And yeah, been trying to get her outside for a while now. Fortunately, because Becca's been ill, it means I can get a load of editing work done. I've got a lot of videos going up very shortly, so check them out. Describe your illness.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Why?
Because it's bad. I've had tummy problems.
Tummy problems, yeah. So Becca's been too embarrassed to say to the pharmacy.
No, I wasn't.
Becca's been trying to explain to the pharmacy what diarrhea is. But
I don't want that going on the vlog, please. Just say tummy problems. Please.
Yeah. The shits, yeah.
No, tummy problems.
The shits. I found out about Monkey Hill online, and apparently there are tons and tons of monkeys. Like more than you can even handle. One of our main concerns was not getting bitten by a monkey. That might change today. How you feeling after walking up Monkey Hill?
Bad.
Was it a big hill?
So far. No, but my tummy. It's a lot.
Sounds like your voice is going.
My voice is going.
Jungle chicken. He'll be in my rice later. Been walking up Monkey Hill for a while now. Keep seeing bikes going past. Starting to feel like we should have got a bike now. Beck is suffering, as usual. What?
Not suffering as usual, Cameron, I'm ill.
I know. As usual for the last week. Seems like everywhere we go we come across like shrines or temples or something, just randomly. They're not on the map or anything, they're just there, and they're usually based on some sort of animal or god or whatever.
Pig.
Pig? Jungle pig? Jungle pig! Oh my god, they're adorable. Just got to the top of Monkey Hill nearly, and found some exercise machines. I don't know why anyone's put these here. Who the hell's going to do exercise when they get to the top of the hill? What's up?
My tummy, Cameron.
Are you regretting doing this?
No, I'd really like it if you stopped filming.
Sounds really safe. Yeah?
Motherfucker.
Snake.
Look at that spider.
Oh, that's the golden orb I was telling you. Why don't you touch it?
Because I don't want to die. Why don't you touch it?
No, I'm not going to touch it. So we just found a big golden orb spider. Becca's never seen a spider that big, so it's quite cool. Oh, I got a dog fight. They have a lot of wild dogs here.
Oh, you've only got 3 legs.
Oh, dude. Is this safe? There are.
We should be walking up here.
I don't think we should either. You scared?
Oh, that monkey's biting the other monkey.
See. Wow. Look at him with his little cup.
here. Please.
Just come through here now. Yeah? Jesus. Shit, they're smashing the cars up. So, we found all the monkeys up the top of Monkey Hill, and for me, and well, especially Becca, one of the most terrifying things I've ever done in my entire life. Walking through all those monkeys and being so close to just a rabies jab away from going. But yeah, we did it. Nearly.